Welcome back to Life Mastery Unleashed, the show where discipline isn't optional, where execution is the religion, and where we turn high performance into a way of life. No fluff, no hacks, no hand-holding, just raw mindset strategies and firepower to help you outgrind, outwork, and out-hustle everyone. I'm your host, Ricky Khamis, veteran, mortgage boss, high-performance junkie, and today's episode is for the warrior who's in a fight, but hasn't thrown a punch in a while. And I gotta tell you, my fight with the bad wolf is strong today. That dog is trying to eat me alive. So this is as much for you as it is for me today. So let's get real. There are moments, even for the toughest, the most disciplined, the most battle-tested, where your mind turns on you. You start questioning everything. Am I built for this? Is this even working? What if I fail and can't recover? That's not laziness. That's not weakness. That's the enemy showing up. Doubt, uncertainty, and a fading sense of belief. It doesn't knock. It doesn't warn you. It just slips in, settles deep, and starts eating your edge from the inside out. And the only way out is through fire, action, bloody knuckle discipline. This episode, I'm giving you a battle plan, not a theory, not a cute quote, a tactical, savage, step-by-step strategy to rip doubt out of your system and get your confidence back. This is a 6-part series, so let's go to war. Part 1, identify the enemy. Call the enemy by name. You can't fight what you can't see. Doubt, fear, uncertainty, they're like viruses. They're invisible at first. They creep in through fatigue, through setbacks, through people around you who are soft or scared or slow. And they wear disguises. Maybe I'm just being realistic. Maybe I should wait. Maybe it's not meant to be. That's doubt, pretending to be logic. Fear, that one sticks too. I'm protecting myself. I'm just being cautious. It's smart to have a plan B. No, that's fear pretending to be strategy, and uncertainty. That one's the worst because it doesn't say anything at all. It just freezes you. It shuts you down, your decision-making engine. It gets you to do nothing, which is exactly what it wants. So, how do you fight back? You call the bastard by name. You say out loud, I'm doubting myself. I'm afraid this is going to fail. I'm scared that I'm not enough. I'm worried I can't carry this weight. You bring it into the light because what lives in the dark rules your life. But when you drag it into the light, you take its power away. This isn't therapy. This is warfare. You don't sit around journaling about your inner child for 9 weeks. You name the enemy, then you gear up, show up, and throw punches. All right, get ready for part 2, but pause if you need to reflect. Armor up, the discipline protocol. Motivation is a luxury. Discipline is survival. When doubt shows up, most people go looking for inspiration. They scroll, they listen, they wait for the spark. Not you, not us. We armor up because when your confidence is bleeding out, your habits better be wearing body armor. Anchor to routine, your daily weapon stack. Wake time, lock it in. No sleeping in, that's surrender. Physical training, non-negotiable. Sweat daily. First 60 minutes, no phone, no news, no junk. You own your mind or someone else will. Clean the clutter mentally and physically. Your environment mirrors your mind. Clean your car, organize your desk, delete the noise. Create space for war. The power list, rebuild through micro wins. The 5 daily non-negotiables, 1 physical, 1 revenue generating, one relationship deepening, one content input based, and one self-discipline flex. You win the day, you stack your confidence. Recommit in writing. Identify your feelings. Write this. I'm not my feelings. I'm not my fear. I'm not my doubt. I am disciplined, dangerous, driven. My actions define me, not my emotions, every damn day. Correct your perimeter. Audit who gets in. Silence the noise. Mute the crowds. Ghost the doubters. You don't need sympathy. You need steel. Deploy the 90-minute execution window. One task, 90 minutes. No distractions, no phones, just savage execution. Part 3, eliminate isolation. Why going dark is the worst strategy. This is really one you need to pay attention to. You don't have to do this alone. Trying is a setup for failure. Reach out, phone a friend, mentor, coach. Call someone who won't let you down. This isn't for comfort, it's for clarity. Find your tribe. Guard against toxicity. Toxic voices kill dreams. Get around warriors who remind you who the hell you are. Accountability is the hidden weapon against self-doubt. Declare your goals, set the deadlines, let someone hold your feet to the fire. The power of sharing. Speak it out loud. Say it. I'm stuck. I'm scared. I feel like I'm failing. Then listen to the voices who tell you, you've been here before. You've made it out. Do it again. Group energy. The collective power of a tribe. You're not built to fight alone. Get around energy that lifts, not drags. You're unstoppable together. Part 4, stack your wins. Build momentum when confidence is low. In my book, Just Win the Day on Amazon, it is all about stacking wins daily. You don't need a miracle, you need a win. Start ridiculously small. Make your bed. Drink 40 ounces of water. Send that text. Just move, just win something. Log it down. You need a win journal. 3 wins every day. Stack proof and train your brain to see progress. Track forward progress, not just final results. Celebrate the top. Wins live in the work. Revisit the hard shit you've already conquered. Pull out the recipes you've done and remember, you remind yourself what you've done. You got to create the micro wins. 20 calls by 5 p.m., post 3 reels today, no sugar for 24 hours. Small savage wins build resilience. That's how you're going to walk back into the fire and dangerous again. Part 5, rewire your mind. Turn uncertainty into power. You got to raise your standards and raise your level of what you'll accept. You don't need guarantees, you need grit. Certainty is a myth. Stop worshiping it. The pursuit of uncertainty is the cage. Your growth lives in the unknown. The identity reframed. You got to choose who you want to become. You're not your results. You're the code. Flip the script. Reframe the worst case narrative. What if I fail? Good. Rebuild it better. Turn fear into fuel. Adopt the regardless mentality. I execute regardless. I lead regardless. I win regardless. Write it, speak it, live it. Design a future you're willing to bleed for. 3-year vision. Paint it, feel it, bleed for it. Turn chaos into callous. Harden your mind daily. Show up, operating chaos, callous over softness. Part 6, ruthless action, the final strike against doubt. When doubt moves in, first, action breaks emotion. Hit record, make the call, take the leap. You act yourself into belief. Create a 48-hour Warpath. Wake up at 5, no sugar, 2 workouts, 30 outbound messages, One hard conversation, wipe the slate clean, and reset with fire. The one move philosophy. Don't plan 30 days. Ask, what's my next 10-minute move? Do it, win it, repeat it. Make it public and burn the boats. Tell people what you're doing. Put your word on the line. No retreat, no plan B. Reward savage execution, not outcomes. Execution is the win. Every time you follow through, you cast a vote for the beast inside. Stay ruthless until the doubt shuts up. Out-discipline it, out-execute it, outlast it. Bleed it out of your system one savage day at a time. The rebirth through fire. Doubt will come. Fear will whisper. Uncertainty will show up. But you don't fold. You reload. You're a leader. You're a builder. You're a weapon. If this episode hit home, share it. Send it to someone in the trenches. And if you're serious about making every single day count, grab my book, Just Win the Day. It's on Amazon. And remember, out-grind, out-work, out-hustle everyone. Leave that out of your system and build a life you're proud